we're going to focus the free Chrome extension, BeeLine Reader. BeeLine Reader is an extension that allows students assistance with reading fluency using color gradients. So once you download BeeLine Reader from the Chrome Web Store, you'll see this icon here, and users will click on the icon, and then they'll see that they can change the reading or the color gradient to different hues. So right now we have a bright red, you could do blue and purple, or if student wanted or user wanted dark or gray, they could do so. And then if they wanted night gray and night blues, they could utilize that as well. And so in addition to that, users can also select to use Open Dyslexic font. This font is particularly helpful for students who've been diagnosed with dyslexia and have reading difficulties. In addition, they can actually have the color come on automatically or not. It just depends on the user's preference. And now BeeLine Reader also has a focus mode that allows the individual to decrease the amount of traffic that's on the screen as they're reading. I will say in using this, if you look at my screen, you still see the extraneous text, which is not working, which those things should be, would not be present. So again, the focus mode is in beta, mode. So they're probably still working out the kinks on that particular feature. So let's take a look at BeeLine Reader in some different things. And so right now we have regular font. It's not Open Dyslexic, but we're using the bright red and blue. And as you can see, as a user is reading, it starts off dark, and then it goes to a lighter color, and then it continues in that lighter color, and it goes dark again. And so that helps the student when they're tracking what they're reading so that they can stay focused and have a better chance of comprehending what they're reading. So again, students can change the themes, the colors. So if they'd like to, and if they change the colors and it doesn't automatically change, they should use their refresh button. So let's see, Open Dyslexic font again. So you can see the font has changed significantly. The font is weighted heavily at the bottom of the text. So it's darker at the bottom of the text. So let's see if we can change the color. You can see it a little better. So that's our bright red and blue. But let's see how that works in our night blues. So depending on the user, this is considerably light and you can't see in the daytime. This is probably better for readers that are in dimmer light. And again with the night gray. So depending on the user, they have a variety of options to look at their websites using BeeLine Reader and the color gradient. As you'll see, the extraneous text is not changed, just the article. And BeeLine Reader will tell you if you're on a desktop, a home page, that it's not meant for home pages. It's focused really on articles. So any of the, like if you have a website that is like your homepage website, it's not going to work on that, but it will work on articles that students and users are navigating. So thanks for joining me. That concludes our video on